garden maintenance and landscaping business, Byron Bay, New South Wales. What an opportunity to have your own business in one of Australia's most sought-after, affluent lifestyle locations. Servicing the stunning Byron Shire, Living Earth Gardens offers you both stability and flexibility. Established in 2010, the business has over 70 clients on the books, both private residential and commercial properties. The business offers a full gardening service, mowing, pruning, weeding, tree lopping and general garden tidies, as well as landscaping. Living Earth Garden is a successful mobile business with a 5-star rating, with low overheads and no premises required. A box trailer and tools are included in the sale price, plus an optional 2017 Ford Ranger with fitted shelving. Due to the high demand in the region, this business is ripe for expansion. There is enough equipment to double up productivity without needing to purchase more tools. This is a great opportunity to be earning straight away in an established and well-respected business.